Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to transform your life and embrace a healthier lifestyle? Join us in this comprehensive guide on how to start a keto diet step by step. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been proven to help people shed excess weight, increase energy, and improve mental clarity. Benefits of the keto diet. Benefit 1. Weight loss. By reducing your carb intake and increasing healthy fats, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, helping you shed those extra pounds. Benefit 2. Improved mental focus. Ketones produced during ketosis provide a consistent and efficient source of energy for your brain, leading to increased mental clarity and focus. Benefit 3. Enhanced energy levels. Many people experience a significant boost in energy when they switch to keto, which can help you conquer your daily tasks with ease. How to start a keto diet step by step. Step 1. Clean out your kitchen, remove any high-carb temptations from your pantry and fridge. Stock up on keto-friendly foods like avocados, leafy greens, and grass-fed meats. Step 2. Plan your meals. Create a keto meal plan that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Balance your macronutrients to ensure you're getting enough healthy fats, moderate protein, and very few carbs. Step 3. Prepare your meals. Spend some time prepping keto-friendly meals and snacks to keep you on track throughout the week. Step 4. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your ketone levels to ensure you're in ketosis and making progress toward your goals. What's a keto diet without delicious recipes? Here are a few mouthwatering options to get you started. Keto breakfast. Try a mouthwatering bacon and avocado egg bowl for a satisfying morning meal. Keto lunch. Enjoy a refreshing spinach and feta salad with a homemade vinaigrette dressing. Keto dinner. Savor a juicy grilled salmon with garlic butter and asparagus. Keto dessert. Indulge in a guilt-free chocolate avocado mousse for a sweet treat. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge and recipes to kickstart your keto journey. Remember, consistency is key, and you've got this. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.